In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create color palette in Photoshop. So here I have an image from um, from Unsplash, and I'm gonna show you how to extract a color palette from an image. So the process is quite simple. So what you have to do is to click on File, now Export, and then here you have to select Save for Web Legacy. You can also use the shortcut Alt Shift plus Control plus S. And here, make sure you select GIF. So no JPEG or any other there. Just make sure you select GIF. And now here you should see color table. And of course, if you don't want too many colors, colors in your color palette, just select here 8 or 3 or 4 or 2 or 4 or 16, 32, 64. And now here in color table, you can click on this, and then here you click on Save Color Palette. All right. And now what you can do is just when you save this new color table, what I would do is actually go to desktop and save this right here. Save this here on the desktop, and then once you save that, you have to go to Window, Swatches, enable swatches from here. And then here in swatches, we have this plus, click on this plus, click on new, and you also can add a group. But now in this, we can actually import, right, new swatches. So that's what we want. You can add this to your library if you want to, but now it's very simple because you can add and now just click on here and select import swatches. Go to Windows, exactly where you saved your file, and just select that file and click on load. And that's the entire process. I really hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions for the next Adobe Photoshop tutorial, let me know in the comment section if you want me to create any tutorial for the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.